Hi guys, if we haven't met, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about this. So when I was doing the research for my 100 cruelty-free beauty brands, I stumbled along a cruelty-free beauty box subscription, Petit Vour. So I was like, I really want to order that and try it out because I've always wanted to try a beauty subscription box. And I thought, why not make a video about it? But before we get into the box, which I took a peek in because I didn't know if I wanted to have a little bit of makeup on or what, but it's mostly skincare, so I want to first tell you about their story. So hopefully I'll figure out how to screen record this, but I'm going to read it anyways. So, our beginnings. Petit Vour was founded by current co-CEO Madeleine Alcott. Growing dissatisfied with the lack of transparency in the beauty and fashion industry, she longed for a store that would indulge her dreamy, fanciful side while also adhering to an ethical code. Realizing that others shared this desire, Madeleine went on to build a lifestyle brand that catered to modern, educated women with a softness for animals, nature, and life's little luxuries. Named after her favorite tea time treat, but with a decidedly progressive twist, as a nod to veganism, Petit Vour went live in the spring of 2013. We now operate in Austin, Texas, serving over 10,000 women worldwide each and every month. Our muse. Our customer is perennial romantic, who never lost touch with her idealism. She dresses boldly, augmenting all of her favorite fanciful frills, regardless of the occasion. She has a sense of purpose in everything she does. And although fashion is important to her, she is often too busy loving life to make a fuss over perfecting every fine detail. There's an effortless to her elegance, a wide-eyed optimism that captivates others. To her, Petit Vour is a portal to an ideal way of living, a place for her to gain inspiration and carry out her compassionate values in a more elevated lifestyle. Our promise. Our product offering consists of women's beauty, accessories, wellness, and gifts, all carefully created to meet our standard of the creme de la cruelty-free. Each offering caters to the lifestyle of our muse, the modern-day ethical woman who romanticizes playfulness and classic feminine flair. So after finding this and reading this first time, I was like, oh my god, I'm already in love. They're just so, it's beautifully written. They just have all of these things they care about. So they sell so many things. So they have apparel, tops, bottoms, denims, dresses, rompers, skirts, shorts, swims, sweaters, jackets, sleeper, intimates. They have accessories, handbags, wallets, shoes, jewelry, scarves, watches, belts, socks, hair accessories, hats, and vegan leather. They have makeup, face, eyes, lips, nails, brushes, and tools, and samples. They have samples of makeup on their website, which is so good because you usually can't get samples unless you're in store. Skincare, cleansers, makeup removers, toners, masks and exfoliators, face oils, serums, moisturizers, eye care, lip balm and treatment, sun care. And you can shop by your skin type, and they also have skincare samples. They have hair care, shampoo and conditioner, treatment, styling, shop by hair need, brush and tools, samples, bath and body, bath and shower, body moisturizers, body care and hygiene, fragrance, sun and tan, baby and mama, and samples, and lifestyle. They have home goods, paper goods, wellness, easy evening rituals, and travel and TSA friendly beauty. And they have sale, and they have a blog. So let's get to what we're going to be talking about today is the beauty box. So let's go to the beauty box. Cruelty-free, non-toxic, plant-based. $45 to $60 of little luxuries created just for you, as low as $15 per box. How it works. Elevate or recreate your beauty routine with a subscription to Petit Vour's luxury curated cruelty-free beauty box. Each month you'll receive 4 products, $45 to $60 value of non-toxic and plant-based beauty curated to your beautiful. Okay, we already read that. Alright, so you just go and you create your profile, enjoy your beauty, and then you can rate and earn points. Alrighty, and right now they have a free gift for a face mask. Alrighty, so I just got this in the mail today, and I'm so excited. It says the creme de la cruelty free right on the inside. Be bold, be kind, Petit Vour. And I think this is a little, I need a sip of water. That was a lot of talking. Yes, that is a Hello Kitty boombox. I've had it since I got it for Christmas in kindergarten. Okay. The creme de la cruelty-free. Petit Vour is a luxury destination for your cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle. And every beautiful thing in your Petit Vour box is expert vetted and free of animal testing, animal ingredients, and harmful toxins for the easiest transition to cruelty-free beauty. So follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Discover gorgeous, ethically made summer fashion and accessories at petitvour.com. And this, can you see it, is what I got in the box. So the first thing, the Juice Beauty Green Apple Cleansing Bar. This is a travel size, which is $3, and the full size is $12. Revitalize and hydrate your skin with this oil-based bath bar infused with bright citrus notes. I think I'm going to smell it. 1.2 ounces. Organic. I'm going to smell it. I'm not going to cleanse my face. I just showered. Ooh. Imagine if this was package free, waste free. Very faint scent. But you don't really want to reek of green apple all day. Good ingredients. The next thing, Moon Anerose Hydrating Rose Toner, $7 for the travel size. Full size is $65. Hydrate, soften, and balance your skin's pH with this Japanese-inspired toner containing willow bark extract and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so that's what this looks like. Directions: cleanse skin, pat dry, using a cotton pad, generously sweep toner over entire face, gently exfoliating skin. Follow with one of their serums. But I need a cotton round, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my cotton round. So it's in a spray bottle, so I don't know. I guess I'll spray the cotton round. Smells really clean. I didn't put on my regular toner, and I don't have anything on my face currently. Let's spray this once in my face. It like doesn't really smell like anything. That's fine. So that's the toner. Next thing is Vertimont Perfumery Sirena, $5. Full size, $35. A fragrance fit for a siren. This non-toxic scent features gardenia and magnolia, opens to green cacao. I don't know how to say that word. C-A-C-A-O. And finishes with rich labdanum amber. That's what that looks like. It's a botanical perfume studio and apothecary born in the Green Mountains of Vermont. Oh, it's local. I mean, except it's shipped from Austin, Texas, so it went from Vermont to Austin, Texas, back to New Hampshire, which really didn't do anything for the environment, but that's fine. Perfumes, skin and body care products are handmade in small batches with pure plant essence sourced from around the world, which are wildcrafted, organic, or pesticide-free. Our guiding principle is to translate the magical language of plants into a human experience. VMP invites you to feel wonderful and smell amazing. Dedicated to the ancient art of oil perfumery, Sirena requires shaking with each use to ensure cacao absolutely envelops the wearer with its valued intention. Okay, so it says, Sirena, mischievous mermaid, sovereign princess or queen, embrace your inner riches and shine. Gardenia, magnolia, grateflower, open to a tonka glazed green cacao, and pink peppercorn heart, finishing with a leathery labdanum amber. That is very intense. Okay. Ooh, there's like stuff in it. Can you see it? It's focusing on me. Okay, we're gonna need to do the hand thing. Can you see it? I can't see if you can see it. But yeah, Okay. How do you open? Looks like this. You have to like screw or pull? I don't know. Oh shoot. Oh, you're supposed to shake it. My bad. Okay. I don't love it. It kind of smells like honey. At first it was very like spicy, but it's, maybe I need to try it on my skin. Not a fan. No, but I'm gonna close this friggin' thing. This is an adventure. Oh, okay, okay. There's the perfume. Would love to learn more about this company, this brand, but I'll probably be gifting this to someone who would. I like floral scents and like light ones, but okay. Next thing, Gold Fandon MD Facial Detox Mask, $20. Full size. So that's not full size. Full size is $65. So the travel size is $20. A physician strength purifying mask that draws out dirt and pore clogging debris to reveal skin that appears clear and flawless. Use as a mask or spot treatment. Okay. So it looks like this. It's for the problem, it says, is oily and acne prone skin. I have one pimple right here. Clarifying and clear mask. Zinc oxide, sulfur, camphor. Ooh, camphor. I've used that on my skin before. It's drying. That's, so, it was in that, an Ole Henriksen toner I used. And it's in Carmex, which doesn't make sense because it's supposed to dry your skin, but it's in a chapstick. I don't recommend Carmex. Dr. Gold Fandon's Purifying Mask effectively draws, okay, we already read that. We're not going to put this on right now because I don't feel like washing my face, but I'm going to sniff it and tell you if it sniffs good. And in a vlog, I'll probably tell you if it works. Quote the free! It smells like expensive skincare, which is not a bad sign. Okay, and the last thing is Clove and Halo Lip Glaze, $15. Oh, so we get one full-size product. So I got 4 samples and 1 full size. This PETA certified lip glaze will make you a lip gloss convert. This intensively hydrating formula offers a dazzling finish without stickiness. Oh, we love spreading kindness. Current subscribers get a free gift with any full-size purchase from our featured brands. Ooh, collection. Review the products in this box on petitvour.com and we'll add $1 per product reviewed, up to $4 to your rewards for you to shop with. Any non-subscription purchase at Petit Vour gets you 20% back in rewards. Share your photo and you may win a surprise! Use the hashtag Petit Vour and tag us at Petit Vour on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Okay, so let's try this lip gloss. Clove and Halo. It's 1.4 ounces. High shine and show-stopping color collide in this lustrous, non-sticky lip gloss. Twist applicator to release part. Okay, we don't need the directions. Cruelty-free and vegan. I love that. And it's, oh, okay, so the color, I guess I should show you. And the color is Candied Hearts. Oh, that's cool. Apparently I do need to read the directions. Oh, it's one of those looking things. I used to hate these when I was a kid. It always is a lot at first. Ooh, it came out. Ah. She's pink. I don't love the applicator. It tastes horrible. For sure. Do you like wipe off the applicator? Okay. But I like the color. It's not sticky, which I like. But yeah, it doesn't taste good. And you know you're not supposed to eat it, but like, I can taste it. It like tastes like my grandmother's lipsticks tasted like. Let's figure out how much everything was worth. Okay. So this is, the lip gloss was $15. The face mask was $20. The perfume was $5. The toner was $7. And the cleansing bar was $3. That's $50 and I paid $18. So I think that's really worth your money. I can't wait to get more boxes, and if you'd like me to see me do this with not all of my boxes, but maybe a few more, like you'd like to see more of this review, so you'd like to check out this brand, let me know in the comments, and I'm sure I will be sure to do that. So don't take it as that this box is bad because I didn't like 2 of the products in it. Just take it as like, I'm picky as hell. But I think I'll get used to the lip gloss taste. I'm really excited to try these 2 things. This I like. My skin feels good. And look, I have a gift for someone. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Turn on push notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both just at aware_Slolson. Make sure to check out my description. Comment anything down below. Anything you'd like. Thank you again. Bye-bye.